Hello, my name is Keith Lutz with Dunmore Corporation. Our goal in the American Made Solar Prize is to develop transparent polymer barrier films for the bifacial and flexible PV market. Dunmore has 50 years experience manufacturing engineered films for a wide range of industries. We have 3 manufacturing locations in the USA and Germany. In the past 15 years, we have created over 35 UL listed PV backsheets and sold millions of square meters to module makers globally. Our Solar Prize team consists of highly trained staff with over 100 years experience in material science. Neil, Shaker, and Robin have vast knowledge of polymeric films, adhesives, coating formulations, and roll-to-roll processing. They are supported on the business side by Carl and Keith. The problem that we are solving is the lack of transparent material options for bifacial and flexible PV module makers. This is a growing market, principally in areas such as building integration and transportation. There are limited domestic material options, stymieing innovation and growth. It's difficult to achieve the necessary barrier properties such as low MBTR. In addition, premature field failures have emerged over the years. Long-term UV resistance and dielectric performance are paramount. And finally, all these properties must be met at an affordable cost. Clearly, there is a need for transparent materials for this market. We have identified specific requirements: greater than 90% visible light transmission, 20-year service life, high moisture barrier properties, damp heat performance up to 3,000 hours, and dielectric properties up to 1,500 volts DC. There is a compelling business case for our efforts. Bifacial and flexible PV is expected to grow from 10% of the market to over 30% by 2024, resulting in the need for 150 million square meters of material valued at $1.8 billion. This rapid growth will result in a corresponding supply shortage of transparent alternatives, leading to opportunities to create a more robust domestic supply chain. Dunmore's value proposition is to leverage our material science expertise to design and manufacture transparent, high barrier laminates. Once our prototypes are finalized, we will use our existing roll-to-roll manufacturing capacity to build sales. Dunmore's prototypes to date have shown great improvement in barrier performance. Compared to standard clear backsheets, our prototypes showed over 20 times improvements. Within our prototypes, later iterations improved MBTR about 50% over initial versions. Our early success is encouraging, but there's more work to do. While we have had impressive gains in MBTR, we expect further improvements to less than 0.01 gram per square meter per day and beyond. Another challenge is damp heat performance, where prototypes have fallen short. In our next steps, we will refine the designs and confirm performance versus goals. We will then proceed to trial roll manufacturing and solicit module manufacturing partners to have test modules made. We will engage network partnerships such as with Sandia National Labs to validate performance and conduct field testing. Finally, we will have scale-up manufacturing of sample rolls to provide to industry, academia, and institutions. In summary, continuing on in the Solar Prize contest will provide the resources needed to develop commercial-scale transparent barrier films for the domestic PV market. Participating in this growing market will position Dunmore as a continued source for engineered film solutions. More broadly, it will help Dunmore contribute to the growth of a healthy domestic supply chain for high-performance materials. We want to thank the sponsors of the American Made Solar Prize contest, and we look forward to moving onward. Thank you.